Gua mau kalian jujur sama diri kalian sekarang. Hidup kalian masih gini-gini aja. Tiap hari bilang ingin berubah, tapi bingung mau mulai dari mana. Akhirnya bilang, ya nanti aja lah. Masalahnya, hidup itu gak kenal kata nanti. Gua mau tanya satu hal lagi sama kalian. Hidup kalian beneran capek? Atau capek ngulang hal-hal yang sama? Bangun pagi, kerja, pulang, scroll TikTok, terus tidur. Besoknya, ngulang seperti itu terus. Dan anehnya, kalian berharap hidup kalian ingin berubah. Padahal, gak ada yang kalian ubah dari kemarin, dari hidup kalian sebelum-sebelumnya. Di Indonesia itu ada budaya yang aneh sekali. Kalian mungkin pernah dengar lah. Namanya itu yang penting jalan. Kayak kerja gak berkembang, yang penting ada kerjaan. Gaji gak cukup, yang penting tiap bulan gajian. Hidup gak bahagia, yang penting hidup gitu kan. Come on man, ayolah. Kita itu hidup bukan soal bertahan. Hidup itu soal bertumbuh. Kalau hidup lu cuman bertahan, mau sampai kapanpun, lu bakalan capek. Gua ngerasa aneh banget. Orang Indonesia itu bangga dengan kata capek. Capek kerja bang, capek hidup bang. Capek itu gak salah, cuman capek tanpa arah itu bodoh. Kalian capek banting tulang, tapi gak ada perubahan. Kalian capek kerja, tapi gaji gak naik-naik. Ya gimana kalian gak capek? Kalian hanya mengulangi hal-hal yang sama terus-menerus setiap harinya, tanpa kalian mencoba hal-hal baru di luaran sana. Takut gagal lah, takut diomongin orang lah, takut gak sesuai ekspektasi. Mau sampai kapan sih hidup kalian itu berada di zona nyaman? Masa hidup kalian cuma bisa ngeluh aja, menyalahkan diri sendiri, menyalahkan Tuhan? Ayolah, sesekali kalian itu lompat dari zona nyaman kalian itu.
Be fucking fearless. Let the fear of regret fuel you to take action. Today. Now.
The fear is never reaching your potential.
Fear is my friend. I love fear. Fear allows me to reach my highest potential.
If you're not getting rid of fear, then use fear. Use fear or it uses you. It's that simple.
Be fucking fearless, or as close to it as possible.
I fear failing is an illusion. Fear is an illusion. But we have to have desire. We have to have something that pushes us. Fear pushes us.
And then one day you're an old man.
Yep.
And you look back and go, God, I could have been great.
Yep.
I could have been great.
Make up your mind that fear is not going to stop you from doing the thing you really want to do. Step out and do it today.
Ini penyakit paling parah untuk kalian yang ingin merubah hidupnya. Generasi-generasi sekarang itu kalau mau melakukan sesuatu, itu kadang nunggu mood lah, nunggu semangat lah, nunggu besok lah. Padahal, waktu yang pas itu gak pernah ada. Sama seperti ajal kita gak pernah tahu kapan ajal kita bakal menjemput. Dan itu bisa terjadi kapan saja dan di mana saja. Jika malaikat sudah berkehendak, ya kita gak bisa ngelawan. Jadi intinya, orang sukses itu bukan orang yang selalu siap, tapi orang yang selalu jalan walaupun dia takut.
Every morning when you get up, say over and over to yourself, do it now, do it now, do it now, I do it now, do it now. Whenever you have this tendency to procrastinate, program your subconscious mind with this automatic conditioned command, do it now, do it now, do it now.
Just get up, move towards that challenge, whatever that challenge is. Move towards that challenge and go attack it. And you may be successful and you may not be successful, but you will be better.
The key to overcoming procrastination is to develop a sense of urgency. Be the kind of person who gets things done quickly. Be the kind of person who launches fast on a task.
Do it. And do it. And do it. And do it. That's the hack.
You gotta wake up every day and put 110% to your craft because there's someone out there that's getting it more than you. So don't be acting shocked when they up and you down. The person who grinds the hardest always gets it. Hard work beats talent every time. Remember that.
Banyak mimpi orang itu bukan karena gagal, tapi karena takut omongan orang lain. Takut dibilang kebesaran mimpi lah, takut dibilang sok pinter, takut dibilang gagal. Fuck lah apa kata mereka. Jangan peduliin. Mereka cuman ingin menarik kalian ke circle mereka, dan mereka bakalan seneng karena mereka sudah membunuh mimpi-mimpi kalian. Itu mimpi kalian loh. Masa mau gitu aja diremehkan? Mana harga diri kalian?
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit what anybody says or what anybody thinks. I have this mindset. I know exactly who the fuck I am.
You can't really give a fuck about what people say no more. Because everybody gonna fucking critique everything that you do, no matter what you do.
What people say does not matter to me, because whatever you do in life, good or bad, there's always gonna be somebody. You know?
Anybody else who doesn't like it or doesn't want it, fucking bad.
Just can't live my life based upon what other people think about me. So I can't concern myself too much with what other people think. You know, it's just not healthy.
You don't give a shit what people say. I never did, I never do.
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. You got a dream, you got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it.
To achieve anything great or worthwhile, you must train yourself to rise above these people, ignoring them and pressing on towards your goal regardless.
Gaji kecil nyalahin pemerintah, hidup susah nyalahin Tuhan, gagal nyalahin orang lain. Pernah gak sih kalian tuh introspeksi diri kalian sendiri, jujur pada diri kalian gitu? Oh iya, gue masih mageran. Oh iya, gue masih takut melangkah maju. Oh iya, gue kan masih kurang usahanya gitu kan. Sebenarnya bukan Tuhan yang pelit, bukan nasib yang jahat. Yang bikin hidup kalian berat itu karena kalian usahanya kecil tapi pengen hasil besar.
Discipline your thoughts. Stop thinking too much. Don't go into the past. Don't go into the future. Be in the present. Why? Because only then it's possible that the mind is free, the capacity is free, and now you can completely immerse into whatever you are doing.
Gua mau jujur sama kalian. Gak semua orang itu ditakdirkan untuk menjadi kaya. Tapi satu hal yang sama dari semua orang di dunia ini, semua orang itu ditakdirkan untuk berusaha. Kalau hari ini hidup kalian berat, bukan berarti Tuhan itu benci. Bukan berarti juga kalian itu gagal. Itu tanda kalau ada yang salah dalam diri kalian. Entah itu dari kebiasaan kalian, pola pikir kalian, lingkungan kalian, dan yang lebih bodohnya lagi, kalian sadar semua hal itu. Cuman kalian malah milih diem aja. Kalau kalian bangun dengan hidup yang sama, dengan kebiasaan yang masih sama, pola pikir yang sama, jangan heran ya kalau di 5 tahun ke depan hidup kalian masih di titik ini. Masih ngeluh soal uang, masih menyalahkan keadaan, masih bertanya-tanya, kapan ya aku bisa berubah? Gak ada yang bakal nyelamatin hidup kalian. Jangan berharap sama orang lain, bahkan sama saudara kalian sekalipun. Jangan berharap, mereka juga punya urusan masing-masing. Kalian capek, dunia gak bakal peduli, waktu bakal terus berjalan, tagihan bakal terus datang, umur bakal terus bertambah. Hidup itu gak pernah nanya, kalian itu sudah siap atau belum. Satu-satunya orang yang bisa merubah hidup kalian, itu ya kalian sendiri. Berhenti males, berhenti ngeluh, berhenti nyari alasan, dan berhenti menyalahin keadaan. Jadi ya, tunggu apa lagi? Walaupun satu langkah kecil, walaupun masih takut, walaupun belum yakin, terobos aja. Yang penting lakuin sekarang juga, jangan ditunda-tunda.
For once in your life, have some ownership, some credibility behind your actions and your words. Follow through for something for one time in your life. When you follow through on things in life, guys, you achieve the confidence, the mentality that anything's possible.
There's no magic potion. There's no, oh, let me wake up and look at some shit. No, it's all bullshit. Just do. You're living. How do you want to live? How do you want to die? How How you want to fucking be remembered?
Hey, dog, look, you don't know how you gonna win? You treat every day like a Monday and every month like a January. You gotta wake up every day and put 110% to your craft because there's someone out there that's getting it more than you. So don't be acting shocked when they up and you down. The person who grinds the hardest always gets it. Hard work beats talent every time.